Hey folks, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I am going to talk about MBA in Europe. If you are considering Europe as your MBA destination, then this video is going to much incisive for you. Here I going to talk about 5 segments. First will be perks and cons of doing MBA from Europe. Then after I will talk about average salaries, and I will also talk about post study work permit if you are doing MBA from any European country. And in the last, I will talk about top 6 MBA schools or universities of Europe where you should definitely try for your MBA. So, before starting the video, I would like to introduce myself for our new viewers. मेरा नाम नितिल कुमार श्रीवास्तव है एंड मैं यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ बोलोनिया इटली का स्टूडेंट हूँ एंड मैं स्टडी वीज़ा वर्क वीज़ा एंड ट्रैवल वीज़ा पे वीडियो बनाता हूँ. Now I will directly jump to the point. So first I'm going to talk about the best perks and the top 5 perks that you will get if you will do MBA from Europe. So सबसे important होता है कि आपकी जो MBA programs होंगी that will be of 1 year. Many European schools and many European universities offer accelerated programs जो कि 10 मंथ से लेके 18 मंथ तक जाती हैं. ठीक है, मैक्सिमम 1 ईयर की MBA प्रोग्राम्स यहाँ होती हैं जो कि 2 चीज़ करेगा. एक तो आपका टाइम को बचाएगा, दूसरा आपके ट्यूशन जो फ़ी होती है, कॉस्ट होती है, उसको काफ़ी कम करेगा. वहीं अगर आप कहीं और करोगे ना, तो वहाँ पे 2 साल की होती है MBA, जहाँ पे आपको लेट्स सपोज 1 ईयर की MBA हो रही है लाइक UK में, अनदर यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ में, तो वहाँ पे आपके लिए सबसे अच्छी बात है, राइट. यू विल सेव योर टाइम, योर मनी. Second is the global networking. Europe's business school attract diverse international, exposure. You will have multicultural experience. There will be people from all nationalities. So you will have also a very strong networking, and it will also help you at the end to enter, a very extensive corporate network. Third point है access to the top employers. Strong ties with leading multinational companies facilitate internships, job placements and career opportunity across Europe and beyond. अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि आप पढ़ने आओगे MBA, तो यहाँ पे आप उस पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस फील्ड के अच्छे अच्छे एम्प्लॉयर से मिलोगे, फिर वो आपको हेल्प करेगा इन फ्यूचर आपके कैरियर को शेप करने में. मोर कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव एजुकेशन है यूरोप में. बेसिकली MBA US की प्रोडक्ट है, बट कंपेयर टू द US, European MBAs are often more affordable with some countries like Germany and Italy. And especially in Germany, especially in Italy, I will make a very separate video. आप अपने MBA को totally free में कर सकते हो. Even you will get paid for it. So I will make a different video regarding it. In this video, I am just giving a brief, a short, info about this. सो यहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी लो ट्यूशन फ़ी होती है इन कंट्रीज़ में, इवन अदर यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ में भी अगर MBA करने जा रहे हो तो. एंड लास्ट, वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस एंड कल्चरल एक्सपोजर. यूरोपियन प्रोग्राम्स एम्फेसिस बैलेंस लिविंग, अलाउिंग स्टूडेंट्स टू एक्सप्लोर रिच कल्चरल हेरिटेज, आर्ट्स एंड वाइब्रेंट सिटीज़ ड्यूरिंग देयर स्टडीज़, which will enhance your personal growth alongside your academics. So these are the all top perks that you will get if you will do your MBA from Europe. Now I will talk about the major cons of studying MBA from Europe. Look, some European countries MBA has very limited recognition outside the Europe. Outside top tier programs, the top tier MBA programs, European MBAs may not carry the same global prestige or recognition as US MBA degrees hold. Of course, because MBA is the product of United States of America. And if you are doing from Europe, and let's suppose you are moving to the US with dream of having, huge package job, so that may affect your dream. You will get, but not according to your, wish कि आपको इतना पैकेज मिलना चाहिए. क्योंकि इनकी कुछ कंट्रीज़ की, जो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ के MBA की जो रिकॉग्निशन होती है US में, कनाडा में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, वहाँ पे थोड़ी कम होती है. ठीक है. एंड लास्ट है, कॉन्स की बात कर रहा हूँ. हायर कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग एंड जॉब मार्केट चैलेंजेस. बी ऑनेस्ट, थोड़ी सी जॉब मार्केट चैलेंजेस आपको फेस करनी पड़ेंगी यहाँ. ठीक है. इन सम यूरोपियन कंट्रीज लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस आर मच हायर, especially if you will come to the top notch European schools for MBA, then you will live in those cities which are literally very expensive. So there you have to pay a lot for your living expenses. Now, Additionally, the European job market can be competitive. It is very competitive. You have to, scale up yourself up so much during your educational, activities, during your, skill set. You have to gain a lot of skill set because it's very competitive. Now I will talk about the average salaries that you will get in Europe if you will do MBA from Europe. So it will vary somewhere between 50k euros per year to 150k euros per year. It totally depends on university ranking and your skill set. Now I will talk about top MBA schools of the Europe, the best MBA schools. In this video, whatever I am going to tell you about the top MBA schools of Europe, those European schools hold almost top 10 or top 15 rankings, or maybe the top 20 rankings around the world when it comes for the MBA schools or the business schools. So the पहला है IESE स्पेन बार्सिलोना, और मैं इनके बारे में डिटेल में आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. हियर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेस्ट बिजनेस स्कूल्स ऑफ यूरोप, as well as I'm talking about the required tests that you need to get in those top MBA schools of Europe. So first one is IESE स्पेन बार्सिलोना. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, यहाँ पे आपको GRE and GMAT लगेगा. सेकेंड इज INSEAD पेरिस, which also asks GRE or GMAT score. SDA Bocconi, which is in the Italy, which is personally my dream university to do MBA, and I will do after finishing my masters from University of Bologna. Anyhow, because the credibility and the environment that this particular Italian MBA schools hold, no one holds as far as I have seen here in Italy, also in the world. It is one of the best. Now, the fourth one is, and basically in SDA Bocconi, you need GRE and GMAT score. Also, London Business School, you need GRE and GMAT score, and the last HEC Paris, which will also ask you GRE and GMAT score. So, आपको ये सारी टेस्ट देनी पड़ेंगी. In the last, if I talk about post-study work permit, if you are doing MBA from any European, XYZ MBA schools or any European countries, so this varies from 1 year to 2 years, depends on country, but you will get employed within 5 months maximum time period after completing your studies. So in this video, I have talked about the major aspects of doing MBA from Europe. In the description, you can check more details regarding the top business schools, everything I have mentioned. And if you like this video, don't forget to follow, subscribe, like and share this video. And see you guys in next video, and thank you for watching.